I think feedback has shaped me into someone who is happy to receive criticism, and I'm not afraid of hear from other people's point of view, even it's negative feedback. I think communication is very important.
So overall, I think feedback helped me. The first one being having a more objective lens towards life, trying to detach emotions from outcomes, because we can't control the outcome, we can only control the process that might eventually lead to the outcome we want. So secondly, the fact that if you treat feedback the way that you would treat feedback towards other aspects in life, maybe you're also an avid gym goer, maybe you also like cooking, or maybe also you struggle with parallel parking, sometimes having that feedback from someone else or the feedback that you give yourself will definitely help you improve upon those aspects in life. And also one aspect in life you might want to consider is applying it to academics, which is what you would get a lot of feedback on if you do something like this at uni, or if you do have a lot of assignments that were like mine. So hopefully feedback is something that you can adopt to your life and something that you find valuable as well.
I believe feedback has allowed me to become an independent learner and just understand what is required of me as a university student. I feel like I'm someone who's more mature as a student, a more confident team leader, and a confident learner. Today, I'm able to self-learn things on my own, which was not possible just a few years back in high school.
If I had to describe feedback in 3 words or one short sentence, it would have to be opportunity for improvement.
I would say feedback is frustrating, it's emotional, however, it is life-changing. It just requires us to stay motivated and dedicated to our tasks.
When you receive negative feedback, try to still stay positive and have more communication with people around you.
Just don't be disappointed if you get 1 or 2 bad results. It's important to know that university life is a marathon, so just go through it. Every day there are some hurdles that set everyone down. The best advice would be to divide your tasks in small goals and make sure that you are achieving that one goal for the day or for the week or for the month. But have those minuscule goals that align up to being that huge goal, or maybe getting that dream job or entering that dream sector, or starting, like for example in my case, it's understanding data analytics and machine learning algorithms.
I came across this thing called the law of marginal gains, basically trying to get 1% better over time. And funnily enough, if you take 1.01 and you power that to the power of 365, you get like 37 times or something like that. So even if you get 1% better, essentially what that means is if you get 1% better every day, 365 days a year, that means that you would be 37 times better at the thing as opposed to not being better at all, from 1% better every day, right? So it's a huge kind of multiplier looking at it in that sense.
To anyone who's watching this video, I would say that my number one advice would be to stay dedicated to your craft, dedicated to your studies, or dedicated to that one goal you have in life. Take your time, calm down, and then just relax yourself, and then after that just focus on what is required in the broader prospect. Eventually success will come.